Hello English learners, and welcome to Further Shorts. Let me tell you a little about my home. I live in a giant mansion on the beach. It has 10 bedrooms, a garden, and a swimming pool. I also have a butler, a maid, and an au pair. Just kidding. My home is much smaller. But you know what? It's perfect for me. It's a small apartment with 3 main spaces: a kitchen, a living room, and a bedroom. The kitchen is tiny, but it's modern. I love cooking, but let's be honest. Do you have time to cook every single day? Me neither. Sometimes ordering pizza is perfectly okay. The living room is my favorite place. There's a big sofa that feels like a cloud. When I sit down to read a book, 5 minutes later, I'm asleep. My TV is on a small table. There's a lamp next to the sofa. And of course, my shoes are always next to the entrance. No dirt inside the house. My bedroom is special because of the big window. Every morning, the sun shines right in. It's lovely to wake up with the smell of fresh air and warm light on my face. That's my home. Small, sunny, comfortable, and with no dirt. Did you know that in Europe, 46% of people live in apartments? What kind of place is your home? Send us an email or leave us a comment. You'll find our links in the podcast description. That's all for today. Now, I think it's time to relax on the sofa. If you want more English to talk about your home and your world, follow us at Further Corporate. See you soon!